Respected teachers and my dear friends, today I am going to recite a poem on Mother Nature. I am Juventech Kirandi from grade 3, Delhi Public School, Nagargul. A very good morning to all of you. Nature is my teacher. The green plants and trees teach us how to share and care. Nature is my future, to explore and know the unknown. Nature is my preacher. There is always spring after autumn. There is always light after night. Nature is an adventure to reach the mountain heights and valley depths. Nature is everywhere. In the green carpets on the hard deck, in the running water with swimming breaths. Nature is everywhere. In the earth